Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to share this free community Figma resource with you. It's called Tailwind CSS Unofficial Design System. So, as you know, recently Tailwind CSS version 4 has been released. It's basically like Christmas to me. It has lots of new things, mostly the colors, and it's much faster for local development now, and some other things like that. But if you want to use Tailwind design system, everything like the colors, shadows, typography, everything that we have in the Tailwind design system, you can use this file. It's in the Figma community resources page, and it's free. You can just go in and use it. So this has colors, which in version 4 some of the grays has been updated and all the colorful colors has been updated, and it has spacing scale, it has forms, components, Tailwind typography plugins, some cursors, all the typography text styles that Tailwind has, opacity, backdrop blur, box shadow, border radius, everything, and some max width scales that Tailwind has. So these are all styles and variables. So in text styles you have everything from font thin, which is 12 pixels, 12 pixels, 16 height, to the at the very end we have text 9XL, which is 128 pixels, 128 pixels font size and 128 pixels line height. So yeah, textiles, and we have some avatars which you can use in your design, and shadows of course, and blurs, backdrop blurs, some max widths which you can use in your designs again. And we also have all the variable for your building blocks. So it has breakpoints, radiuses, border widths, opacity, spacing has lots of things, so you can just do from some minute things to it goes to from 0 to like 384 pixels, and it's 8-point grid system, so which is nice. It has blurs, skew even, font size, which goes from 12 pixels to 128 pixels like we said. Font family, so if you want to change the sans font type, you can just come in and change and it will update everywhere in the file. Styles, font weight, letter spacing, line heights, and as we said, all the colors that we have in Tailwind. So everything's right here. So yeah, if you want to use Tailwind in your design, especially the Tailwind design system in your design, because most of the developers have jumped the train to Tailwind, especially like the front-end React crowd has is mostly using Tailwind right now. So if you're ask your developers, they are mostly using Tailwind, and if you use these border radius and these widths, it'll be better for them because they can just look at the styles, and if they see something like text large medium, they know what to use, and if they see something like rounded XL over here, they know okay, so this has XL, so we should use rounded XL in our development. And things like shadow also, so if they see okay, this has shadow LG, we'll use shadow LG in our development also. So yeah, it will be easier to bridge that gap, as I say. So yeah, if you want to use this Tailwind version 4 design system file, you can just go to Figma community and search for Tailwind over here, and you will find this file. It's called Tailwind V4 design system by Praveen Jugi, that's me. So you can just open this and you can just open it Figma. So let me know in the comments if you need anything else in the design system. I can update it if you want, but yeah, so grab this file, let me know how it goes, let me know if you need anything in it, and use this as a starting point for all your designs. So you'll have a design system ready, and you can just come in and add a base color for primary if you want, and go from there for your design system. You can use this and extend from this. That's it. let me know if you found this helpful, and let me know if you need videos on more free resources that I have in my Figma community. That's all. Bye bye.